Today we're going to deal with IELTS writing task 1 and part 2. We have already covered our part 1 and there we have already seen that how can we describe a pie chart. If you have given a pie chart in your IELTS writing task 1, how can we describe it, how can we write it, how can we demonstrate it. So today we're going to see how can we illustrate any simple chart or bar chart. Or so at first I want to show you a simple bar diagram here. It is the month rainfall of country. So here is two line, horizontal line and another line, and here we see the different colors of different months, January, February, and the rainfall in centimeter. So how can we illustrate it? So for our better understanding here, I have already brought another example, and the example shows the bar chart. Here is a bar chart that shows the amount of money spent on two types of electronic items in country X. So summarize the information in the chart by selecting and reporting the main features. Make a comparison where relevant. So we have to demonstrate, we have to illustrate these diagram. So in the we have two lines here, horizontal line and another line, and in we can see that different years 2011, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and two colors, ash and pinkish color. In ash color it means smartphone that spent of money by smartphone, and the another one pink gray or ash color, it is for the stands for computers. So let's start. The chart gives information about how much money was spent on computer and smartphones in country X between the years 2011 and 2015. So each our introductory paragraph. In this paragraph, we have already given the overall idea of our writing, the overall idea of this image or of this graph. So in our introductory we have already known that in our introductory paragraph we put two or three sentences to give the overall idea that is going to give us the information what we are going to deal with, or what we are going to write. So according to the chart, there were upward trend in spending on both items. Computer sales increased steadily by 5 million each dollar year. Smartphone sales remained level at $10 million until 2013, and then increased dramatically, reaching at $45 million in 2015. So we can see that here we have two or three body paragraphs, and each of the paragraphs we give some information. We illustrate different points very elaborately but in a consequence way, so that we can elaborate this graph. With that we can elaborate every point of this graph but in a constructive way, and of course we have to make comparison, and we can easily see that this paragraph is going to deal with the comparison between the using of or spending money over smartphone and computer. So the every each and every body paragraph shows this comparison and shows and illustrate every points of this diagram. So after that, the last one we have a concluding paragraph or conclusion, or they will say, and it is the way, it is the way how can you write a bar chart in IELTS task 1. So in our next online session I will discuss on it elaborately. Though it is a pre-recorded video, I wanted to just give you an overview, a glimpse of this topic. How can we illustrate a bar chart in IELTS writing task 1? So in our next online session, we'll see inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.